Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to slow down a video in Picsart. Slowing down a video can add dramatic flair, emphasize key moments, or create a cinematic effects. First of all, launch open Picsart application on your device and then make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen and then tap on Edit an image or video. Now select the video from your device's camera roll you want to edit, and once you end up in this preview screen for the video, go ahead and tap on the video layer on the screen and go to speed at the bottom. Once you open up the speed tool, in order to slow down the video, make sure that you select the options from 0.75 and below. The slower you want the video, select the options from the left-hand side. After you do that, play the video by tapping the play button in the preview section, and there you have successfully slowed down the selected clip. Once you are happy with the result, click on Apply at the top right corner to save the change, and now you can export the video or share it on your desired platform. That's how you can easily slow down your video on Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.